Hello everyone. Welcome to Sprint for Planning. So today we'll basically refine our backlog, see if there's anything we need to add, remove, or like modify. So we'll pick up everything from that we have in the backlog that we can complete to Sprint for. So basically we have about 6 user stories, and we can assign them to whoever wants to work on them, and then we can discuss if we have any pending task or any more stories to add to our backlog. So as we can see here, we have our backlog. So any questions so far on anything?
No.
So,
No.
so basically the first story we have is the summary feature for users. So in this story, we have the user story that as a community activist, I want to get a summary of the news article pasted in the text box so that I can quickly read the news and save time. And then here we have the acceptance criteria where they must be able to get the summary of the article that they requested for. So does the description and acceptance criteria look good?
Yes.
Yeah,
It is perfect.
I think it's look good.
Okay. So we'll put a due date for this. So assuming that our sprint ends on 29th, so the due date for this should be Friday, 26th. Is everyone
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is okay.
Let's put on 27th. I
27th.
think we need at least 5 days
And then we will start this today,
by today. Yes.
by today. And then hopefully whoever completes it can put the completion date on it.
Mm-hmm.
So who wants to pick this story up? I can assign it to them.
I will do this. And
All right. So the story is assigned to you, and then we can move this to sprint 4.
yeah, and anyone wants to join that? Yeah.
Like we can join, but like I think here you can assign only to one person, I guess.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Here for sprint 4. So the next story that we have is check news history for a user.
Manthan, can you also like ask for estimation points? So,
Yes. What estimation do you want to add to that? So,
like
What do you guys suggest?
I'd go for a 5 because we would need some testing in this as well. So
okay, so like let's do it in a range of a 10. Looks like from 1 to 10, like how difficult it is for you to do it.
I would suggest it would be in the range of 9.
Yes.
Yeah.
so
I
I
think
8, I will say.
8. Yeah, okay.
since we have the
Since, this is like a future improvement, so we'll keep it as 8 for now.
okay, so this one is 8. All right. So next one we have is check news history for a user. So for this story, our start date will be today. It would be the 27th.
Yeah, it's fine.
And then let's review the description and the acceptance criteria. As a sport enthusiast, want to be able to view my search history so that I can go back, check if I need to retrieve any historical information. Looks good.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then
And the acceptance criteria.
so the acceptance criteria, there should be a dedicated section or page on the website where I can view my search history. The search history should be displayed in a clear and organized manner, showing the date and time of each search. Looks good.
Yeah, it looks good. I think.
All right.
Hmm.
Let's do a story point estimation for this.
I think it's 6.
Uh,
How
I,
about that, everyone?
I think it's in Fibonacci, so we can't take
Yeah, it should be Fibonacci number. Yeah, true. So that then the first one also it should be like 9 or 7 or something like that. And
I think it's not Fibonacci. Like, no,
okay,
you can put same estimations.
So it can be 0,
Hmm.
5, 1, 3, 5, 8, 13, 20, 40, and
Yeah, so
Yeah,
87.
third. Yeah.
Yeah.
So first one was 8, then we have to keep it as 13. The
No,
second,
8, I think 8 is a good
Yeah,
estimation.
it comes in Fibonacci category.
okay.
But I think that the summary part is the most difficult. So I think 13
Correct.
would be a good.
Oh.
So keep it 13.
Right? According to our capacity, we can put that as 13 points.
Mm.
All right.
Yeah,
So
this is 8. Yeah.
Yeah, for this 8 is fine.
Hmm.
Yeah.
and then is there anyone who wants to pick the story up?
Yeah, you can assign me.
Okay, fine. All right. Looks good. I'll move it to sprint 4 then.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Here we have a navigation accuracy story. So here as a user, I want to be able to navigate to all tabs accurately. Right? So that I can browse quickly without any problems. User should be able to navigate freely without any bugs and navigational errors to all tabs. Okay. I'll put a start date of today.
So I think this will take only hardly 2 days. So we can complete it in 2 days. Yeah, 24 is fine.
Yep, that sounds good.
Yeah.
And then the acceptance criteria.
Yep, acceptance criteria I already added. So
Yeah.
questions on this, let me know.
You
Okay.
can assign this to me.
Okay. So the next one we have is the create
Story point.
How about the points for the?
points. Yeah, sorry. So
I
would-
think Fibonacci is like a number like the result of two adding numbers like previous
Last two numbers.
last two numbers. I
But
think
guys, I think professor last time said it's not compulsory we should follow Fibonacci here.
okay.
Whatever you feel like, how difficult it is, put that.
yeah, I think I would give it a 3 if the rest of the team agrees with it.
I think
even
it's like
We
5
can
or
give in 3 or 5 maybe.
3 or 5. Yes.
Yeah.
Go with 5.
Yeah, 3 is
Hmm.
fine.
3, yeah, 3 is also fine. Yeah.
Hmm.
All right. So the next one we have is the create interactive UI chatbot. This one is as a small business owner, I want to have the option to engage with a community of fellow users so that I can discuss news topics, share insights, and collaborate on fact-checking efforts. The acceptance criteria is the website should include a community forum or discussion board where users can create posts, comment on threads, and interact with each other. Users should be able to join specific topic-based groups or communities within the platform. So any questions on this so far? Looks good.
Yeah, I think it looks good.
Okay. Yeah, I think so due date would be again 27.
Hmm.
And then what is the story point estimation we want to assign for this?
Probably 7. Oh,
Make it for, yeah, 7.
If
It also.
I think it might take a lot of effort for this one, so I would go for 8.
okay. And
Actually, history of user creating new content part, and this is only UI part.
Mm-hmm.
It
so what
might
you
it
okay,
might
so
be lesser compared to history of new page.
let's vote for this. What Maheshwari and Gayatri, you guys think about it?
it's like it should be 6, I guess.
Okay, and
I think it should be 8.
okay,
I'll vote.
and
Also feel like it should be 8.
okay, let's make it 8 then.
Hmm.
Yeah.
All right. And I can also work on this story. I can
Mhm.
if the team agrees.
Yeah.
Mm.
You can assign me as well.
Okay, yeah, we both can collaboratively work on
Okay.
it. So I'll
Even
put-
I wanna join. Can I join this one?
yeah, sure. So I'll put it in comments that Gayatri and Maheshwari will help with this.
Okay.
Hmm. Or else Maheshwari can do the contributors in Fact Finder. Is it okay for that?
Can I please look at it? I guess in contributor in fact finder, even Sai can help to Maheshwari.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
both can collaborate on this.
Hmm.
Yeah.
I added it
So,
comment to this. And then I'll move this to sprint 4. Okay. So until now, I think how many points do we have? 13, 8, and another 8.
16 plus 13 is 29. 32.
Right. So next one we have is contributors and fact finder. So let's check this one. So as a user, I want to find out about the contributors of the website so that I can connect with them or know more about the team. And the acceptance criteria is the about us page should have all the team's information and ways of connecting. Okay. The start date, and then I think this should be completed soon, right? Since it's only UI and not much backend is gonna happen. So I'll put this 25. Is the team okay with that?
Yes.
26 would be fine, I think.
25, 26.
Hmm.
And
let's
then,
ask whoever is doing this story. Let's ask them.
yeah, who
Yeah.
wants this story? I will assign it to them first.
Yeah, whoever is interested, they can say.
Yeah, they can.
Yeah, I can join. I can take this. Okay, yeah.
I can also join in this thing.
Yeah, so in the comment, even you can add Gayatri or Maheshwari and then assign it to any one person. Like that you can do it. Yeah.
Okay. And then what is the story point estimation we want for this?
Hmm.
I would say it's a 3.
Yeah, 3 is
Hmm.
Yeah, 3 can work. Yeah.
Yeah, 3 is fine.
The last story that we have is copy to clipboard for users. So this one, let me send it to sprint 4. And then, okay. So as a user, I want to be able to automatically see the option to copy to clipboard.
Hmm.
I can copy the summary if I want to use it. Copy the paper should automatically be available. The user for convenience. The user wants to copy the summary. Any questions on this? Or any modifications?
No.
I'll put it as
So,
20.
yeah, put
Mm.
27. It's fine.
And is there anyone who wants to pick this story up?
I can take it like Rishabh, you also want to do it like we can do it together.
Yeah, sure. Suraj is also contributing. Yeah, okay. Got it, got it.
I think here also like 3 will be the good estimation.
Okay. All right. So I'll put it as 3 and then let's move it to sprint 4. So currently we have about 6 issues and total of estimate is 38 story points.
38.
Yeah.
So as we can see, I think which is close to our historical average as well. So looks good. And then any questions on any of the stories, anything that the team wants to discuss other than
I have one question that for this create interactive UI chat, in that we are just creating an anonymous chat with any random person, right?
No, no,
Okay.
that is not anonymous because we are first assigning the user ID, Gmail, email ID. So with the
Okay.
help of that email ID, user is able to connect with a specific person knowing the name. So it's not anonymous.
Okay, so the person will
Yeah.
know with whom that person is chatting, like
Yes, yes.
interacting.
Yeah.
Oh, got it. Okay.
And all the person who are chatting, they are registered to our website.
So yeah, so they can discuss regarding any news or
Sure,
report.
yeah. Like that.
Okay. Got it.
And one more thing I was thinking about that we can have, we can give at least a feature to any user to check current news. Like if
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So do we want to add that in our backlog for now? And then if we get done with the story estimation, we can add it, or do we want to include that in sprint 4?
I think we should put it in backlog right now. First, we will complete this sprint first, and then if the time exists, we can
then yes,
do it.
Yeah.
because it's a feature.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Okay.
And one more backlog I expected. If the user wants to report anything, maybe it might be UI part or it may be backend part or related news part. So it should be an option called report.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's good.
makes sense. Yeah.
Makes sense.
All right.
Hmm.
So any questions on the user story with the team? Okay. So yeah, I think for the contributors and fact finder, do we want to add the social media or like LinkedIn profiles in there, or just a contact information with number?
Yeah, we can mention our LinkedIn profiles.
Yeah.
That's
Git
fine.
profile or LinkedIn profile, that can also be great, I think.
Even portfolio we can add that.
I hope everyone have portfolio.
Okay. I think for me, that was the only question that I had for my stories. If anyone else have anything else, bring it up, or we can, I think, complete our sprint planning.
Yeah, I think like I think we have due date on May 8th.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have plenty of time to do this, and like we can add something later if you want.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we can always refine the stories if the requirements change or something new comes up. So we can always update that.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like this is fine, then we can just click on start sprint, so it like starts from today.
Right?
Hmm.
And I'll put end date of Monday. So on Monday, the 29th, we can conclude our sprint.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can have the retrospective after that. Okay.
Of course.
Looks good.
Anyone who's gonna start their story today, I can move it to in progress.
Okay.
I know I won't be able to start today, so I'll probably start my story from tomorrow.
I will start from
Yeah,
today.
I will be starting today, the summary part.
So I'll put that in progress.
Mhm.
You can update your comments on what the progress is, if there are any blockers or if the team wants to chip in with anything. So let us know.
Hmm.
Sure.
I think Kavita will also start the story today, right?
Yes.
Anyone else?
Gayatri, Maheshwari.
I'll
Uh,
start from tomorrow.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Contribution in fact finding.
And guys, you can also add task in the under the stories. So like whatever tasks you will be dividing to complete the story, you can add those inside the story and divide it among yourself.
Even other people also can work on this. If they found any bugs, they can mention in this comment section.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
Tag us, we'll get an email and then we can hop on a call if we see any issues. Sounds good.
mhm.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys and best
you.
of luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.